In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use column total in Monday.com formulas. We'll start on the Monday.com homepage so you have a clean view of your account. From here, head into Workspaces to locate the area where your board lives. Opening the right workspace first keeps everything organized, especially if you manage multiple teams or projects. Once you're in the correct workspace, click into the specific board where you want to build and use a column total inside a formula. On your board, look for the plus icon at the top of the columns. This is where you add new columns and formula-powered fields. Click the plus icon, and in the search or selection pane that appears, type the word total. You'll see an option called total value. Click total value to add it. This prepares a formula-friendly field that can reference totals from your numeric data, making it perfect for roll-ups, summaries, and reporting at a glance. When the formula window opens, you'll notice there's an AI assistant available. You can use it to speed up your setup. Simply describe what you want, like sum the total of the amount column, or calculate the percentage of each item against the total of hours. The assistant will draft the formula for you, saving time and helping with syntax. If you'd like extra guidance while you work, click the resources link in the same panel. This opens helpful documentation and context. Use the search bar to find what you need quickly. Try terms like sum, round, or total. Then browse to functions and constants to learn how different functions behave and how to format them correctly, including how to handle numbers, text, dates, and Boolean values. Next, review the columns and labels section to see the proper way to reference your board's columns by name and to understand how labels are handled. These references ensure your formula points to the right data and updates dynamically as your board changes. Once your formula looks good, whether you wrote it yourself or had the AI assistant draft it, click Set Formula to apply it to the column. Your board will calculate immediately based on the data it finds. If something doesn't look right, double-check that the columns you're referencing contain numeric values where expected and that your column names match exactly. Small typos or mixing text with numbers can cause unexpected results. That's it. You navigated to your board, added a total value column, used the AI assistant for a clean formula, consulted resources for accuracy, and set the formula so your totals work for you in real time.